Hi there. Here's my ENJO water bottle. Here's my marble paste. This is all I need, including a couple fibers. So I'm going to show you. I know most people either love or hate their stainless steel because of the discoloration, the streaking, the marks, the fingerprints, all that. ENJO has an amazing solution. Very, very easy. So what you need is you need the duo glove. This one is the one that has the abrasive backside here, see that? But this would be for your oven, pots, pan, cast iron. But in this case, we're going to be able to use the duo glove on the refrigerator, but because this refrigerator has handles in the middle, I don't really need this large one, so I'm going to use the duo cloth. The duo cloth is exactly the same thing, except it's a smaller version. See the back there? So this is going to be what we're going to be using with water. So that's your fiber number one, because this is the exfoliator. This is the one that takes away and is doing the hard work, because it's also the one that holds oil, grease, all that. So if you've got sticky fingers and stuff on your refrigerator, this is what you need to maintain your refrigerator on a regular basis. Then you need your all-purpose. You can see my all-purpose is dirty there. Why? Because I cleaned that door earlier, and I'll show you in the reflection afterwards, but the light is a little bit bright here. You can't really tell, but you'll see. So this is fiber number two. This is the all-purpose. All-purpose is the fiber that takes away. It's like the replacement of 20 paper towels in a single use. It's amazing. I love this so much. I also use this to wash my dishes. So we're going to use that second, this one first. And then we're going to use our ENJO fill, or our tea towel kind of like fiber. What I always do is I fold it into sections like this, because I'm going to use a flat surface to dry. And then when that surface has been used and it's wet, I basically just open it up, find the next spot to dry using the next section. So you'll be able to dry all of your surfaces using one of these, which it's not a cleaning fiber. This is a shine dry behind fiber. So let's get to work and I will show you. I also keep a bowl sometimes if it's not near where your sink is with water, so I can rinse my hand in there or rinse my fiber. So I will show you what we do. So first I take my spray bottle. The nozzle adjusts with a large stream or just a mist. So what I do is I either spray into my marble paste or I spray my hand to get it going. But you need your hand. And why do you need your hand? You need it because you need to get the paste all over your hand, just like if you brush your teeth. Put the paste onto your hand, and then you're going to massage it into the stainless steel. This stainless steel I know has been damaged by a lot of product. I don't know if you can see. There's a lot of like streaking in this store. So you need to get your hand and you need to push that marble paste into the surface. I know it's not a typical thing that people do, but this is what you need to do to fix the refrigerator, okay? So I put my hand with the marble paste and I do circular motion. If my hand is sticking because there's not enough water, I will then go ahead, little mist, and then go ahead and massage. You don't need more marble paste until you see that you need more. So I'm going to go ahead and massage that in there. You want to make sure that you cover the whole surface. You want to get enough paste all over the refrigerator to take away all that buildup. So you kind of put a little bit more pressure on your hand. When you do that, you will start smelling the smell of like steel, because you're going down deep into the surface of that. So here's my hand, and you can see how gray it is. This is from the buildup that's on the refrigerator. So I'm going to go ahead now, rinse my hand off a little bit, because I don't want to put it into my marble paste. A little bit more water. Go ahead and grab some more marble paste. See that? It's white. And then you'll see turning gray once you do that massaging. So first, the ground marble that's in marble paste is what allows to do the job that it does. So the fibers as well as the helpers, like the marble paste, they all have a job, and all you need to do is learn what each one does. Once you figure that out, you'll see ENJO is very easy moving forward. Okay, so again, my hand is gray now, and that's from the buildup. So I'm gonna rinse off my hand. And then what we take is our duo cloth. With the duo cloth, you're going to then allow these fibers to do their job. So see all these fibers in there? They are basically like your toothbrush. So they will exfoliate all the extra dirt that's on there. I might need a little bit of water, so I'm gonna put a little bit of water on my fiber and then go ahead. As you can see, when you need more water, I usually add less water and add more as I need, okay? So go ahead, massage that in there. Once you're comfortable and you know that your fiber has done its job, because first the marble paste did, and then this fiber, so you can see the gray on there. So it doesn't take dirt or water away. It really does a hard clean. Then you're gonna take your all-purpose, I'm gonna put a little bit of water on there, and then go ahead now and remove all of that marble paste that you pushed in, that you've massaged. And then once you've done that, I'll show you the color that's on my all-purpose. Look at that. See all that gray? That's the dirt it takes away. That's why I was saying this is like a paper towel. So I am going to go ahead and do one more little squirt with water just to make sure that there's no marble paste left, because marble paste does not belong on my drying fiber, okay? So then we take our ENJO fill, our tea towel, and we're going to remove any of that water that's on the surface to get that perfect, beautiful, polished shine on there. And then I'm going to flip it. So I'm gonna open it. See, this is the side that I used. It's a little bit wet, so I'm gonna turn it and use my next side to wash away or dry off the surface. So that's it. That's how easy it is. So let me show you quickly. Look at that beautiful shine. See, oops, sorry. See that? Both sides now are perfect and match each other. It is as easy as that. So for maintenance, moving forward, now that you've cleaned off your refrigerator and everything is nice and sparkly, see that? That is beautiful. See my reflection? It's amazing. There's not one fingerprint on here. I promise. You cannot put a fingerprint on here. Why can you not put a fingerprint? Because we've removed and taken away all product. There's nothing left on there. So moving forward, to be able to keep this clean, you need one of these two fibers. Whether you're using your kitchen all-purpose, or if you're using your duo cloth or your glove, it will clean your refrigerator when it's dirty. But please, promise me, don't ever put another stainless steel cleaner or soap or anything like that on your stainless steel. It doesn't belong there. You don't need it. You need water. You need one of these. And then you need your drying fiber for after. And if you do these steps instead of using a product, you will not ever have to use your marble power again, because it won't discolor, it won't leave a residue if you're using fiber and water. There we go. That's it. Have a good day.